Welcome to our tutorial on pivot tables in Microsoft Excel. Pivot tables are a powerful tool for summarizing and analyzing large datasets. They allow you to rotate your data to view it from different perspectives, create custom fields, and filter your results to focus on specific information. In this video, we'll cover the basics of pivot tables, common mistakes to avoid, and advanced techniques for data analysis. To create a pivot table, you need to select the data range you want to analyze, choose a location for the pivot table, and define the row and column fields. First, select the entire data range, including headers. Then, go to the Insert tab and click on Pivot Table. Choose a location for the pivot table, such as a new worksheet or a specific cell range. Next, define the row and column fields by dragging the desired fields to the row labels and column labels areas. The Pivot Table Fields list is where you define the structure of your pivot table. You can drag fields to the row labels area to define the rows, to the column labels area to define the columns, and to the values area to define the values. For example, if you want to see the total sales by region, you would drag the region field to the row labels area and the sales field to the values area. Filtering your pivot table data allows you to focus on specific information. You can use the filters area to select specific values or clear existing filters. For example, if you want to see only the sales data for the North region, you would select North from the Region filter dropdown. When working with pivot tables, there are some common mistakes to avoid. Make sure to select the entire data range, define the row and column fields, and use the filters area to focus on specific information. By avoiding these mistakes, you can create effective pivot tables that help you analyze and summarize your data. Once you've mastered the basics of pivot tables, you can explore more advanced techniques. You can use multiple pivot tables to analyze different datasets, create custom fields to summarize your data, and use the Data tab to refresh and update your pivot tables. In conclusion, pivot tables are a powerful tool for summarizing and analyzing large datasets in Microsoft Excel. By following the steps outlined in this tutorial, you can create effective pivot tables that help you make informed decisions. Remember to select the entire data range, define the row and column fields, and use the filters area to focus on specific information.